Famous City Limousine was founded in 1996 to provide top-quality limousines and exceptional service in the San Francisco Bay Area. Our company is family-owned and operated, and we consider our clients to be part of the family. When you book transportation with Famous City Limousine, we treat you like guests in our home. Our fleet includes Lincoln Town Car, Mercedes, Suburban, and Excursion SUVs, stretch limousines, and Hummers. All the vehicles are the ultimate in elegance and style, and our service is second to none. Our entire fleet of vehicles receives routine maintenance to ensure that your experience with us is safe and smooth. Famous City Limousine is licensed and fully insured for the protection of our clients. Our chauffeurs are chosen for their experience and friendliness. They are courteous and respectful at all times and always place the needs of the client first. We treat every job as an opportunity to demonstrate what service is all about. Give us a call to reserve your date now.